This is absolutely bizarre. Ever since the motherboard got changed, the sound's been intermittent, okay? So right now, I'm putting the sound up and down, but look how slowly it's responding. I'm not even sure if it's a software problem or a hardware problem, because I did a clean install, reinstalled everything, right from scratch, and this is the result I get. So now I'm going to reboot the computer. You're going to get a chime, I guess, on restart. So here it is, it's shutting down right now. Well, restarting right now. Looks like the computer's hanging a little bit there too. You notice that? Look at the thing. Okay, now it's starting to turn. But that's circuit.